Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, we'll try to do the 4G plus speed test comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Poco F3 GT device. So this is an extreme village type environment which I came here to test the 4G plus and the camera comparisons. So right now, as you can see, friends, it is the Oneplus Nord 2 and it is a Poco F3 GT. Let's see which phone has got what type of speeds in them. And right now I'm trying to use the Jio 4G SIM during this time of demonstration. You can clearly see here in the RX monitor application. So Jio 4G SIM which is mentioned. And let's see which phone will be having what kind of speed test is. That is what I'm going to exactly compare between both phones. And both phones are receiving the 4G plus aggregation and Jio SIM card, you can clearly see it. Now let's see friends, so which phone will be having what kind of speeds. And is the OnePlus Nord 2. So OnePlus Nord 2 is went up to 80 Mbps of speeds as well in the same location. Whereas the Poco F3 GT, the Poco F3 GT got about close, I think 20 Mbps of speeds, as you can see. So there is a 4G plus connection between both phones as well. So both phones are receiving the 4G plus without any kind of issues. You can clearly see here the comparison side by side. So I'll try to do the multiple times testing, not one time, just multiple times, just to show you the results what happens. So it is a Poco F3 GT got 28 Mbps of speeds. As you can see, this is an extreme outdoor type situation which I thought of doing this kind of testing. And when I'm trying to do the second time testing, let's see what will be the scores we'll be getting. So even the second time also, the OnePlus Nord 2, it directly went up to 80 Mbps of speeds. As you can see friends, right now in this kind of location with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So the Poco F3 GT remained around close to 23 Mbps of speeds. As you can see, the Poco F3 GT and OnePlus Nord 2 went up to 60 Mbps of speeds. The highest so far the OnePlus Nord 2 reached in this location is about close to 97-98 Mbps of speeds, which I tested today. And Poco F3 GT got highest speeds, I think close to 30 and 35 Mbps of speeds, which I tested today. So this based on the multiple times testing continuously until my 1.5 GB of per data has been consumed. Till then I was testing non-stop all these phones. So right now I think I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus maybe. You can see the speeds, how they are between both phones. So friends, in this kind of extreme outdoor type situation, I do feel the OnePlus Nord 2 slightly has got advantage. As you can see, it's the highest speeds in the OnePlus Nord 2, 97 Mbps of speeds. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones. And in case if you are interested in these videos, make sure to hit that subscribe and stay tuned for more updates and camera samples. See you in the next video friends, until then stay tuned. Bye.